Hey everyone, if you are seeing PS5 error code CE1000089 while downloading or installing a game, then this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can try in 2026. Now, this particular error is often relating to a failed or stuck download. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to open the settings of your PS5. In the settings, you just have to look for the option of downloads/uploads. Now, when you are inside, you just have to basically select the game. Then you need to simply click on the option of delete or cancel. After that, you need to go back to your library and start the download again. Make sure that your internet connection is stable during this particular process. Now, sometimes insufficient storage can also interrupt with the installation. So inside the settings, this time you need to look for the option of storage. Over here, look for the option of console set storage. Now inside the console storage, it is going to show you the space available in your device. So you need to simply delete any unused games or apps if needed. Always keep the extra space that should be at least 20 to 30 GB for smooth installation. Now a quick restart can also fix the temporary download issues. For that, you just have to simply press the PS button, then look for the option of power. After that, you just have to simply look for the option of restart PS5. Also, restart your router for a stable internet connection. After restarting, you can try downloading the game again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.